Hello students, observe this picture. What do you see in the picture? Is it a tree? Yes. Can you tell me which tree is this? Students, see the fruits this tree bears. So, can you tell me now which tree is this? Okay, I will tell you. This is a sugar plum tree. And today we are going to learn a poem from Unit 2, poem number 11, Sugar Plum Tree. It is a tree which appears only in dream. So let's understand the meaning of the poem. Before that, we will recite the poem. Have you ever heard of sugar plum tree? It's a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shatai town. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. By Eugene Fields. Now let us understand the meaning of first stanza. Have you ever heard of the sugar plum tree? It's a marvel of great renown. It blooms on the shore of the Lollipop Sea in the garden of Shatai town. So students, your poet asks us that have you ever heard about sugar plum tree? It is famous, wonderful and amazing. It means it is. Marvel means a wonderful or amazing thing or person. Renown means famous. It is known to many people as a good thing. So your poet tells us that the tree we can find in Shatai town. Have you ever seen Shatai town? No. And we have also not seen the shore of the Lollipop Sea. So students, this poem is imagination which we can see only in our dreams. That tree is bearing candies, lollipop, chocolates. Children, can you tell me why the town is called Shatai town? The town is called Shatai town because it appeared as a dream in our sleep. Now let us read the next text. The fruit that it bears is so wondrously sweet, as those who have tasted it say that the good little children have only to eat of that fruit to be happy next day. So, your poet is telling us that the fruit that the tree bears is very sweet, and those who have tasted it says that the good little children only have to eat this fruit and they will be happy next day. Wondrously means wonderfully, amazingly. So students, this poem is a dream and it is the imagination of poet where tree is bearing candies and lollipops, and poet is taking us in his dream through this poem. So students, I hope you all have enjoyed the poem. So go through the video and recite the poem. Thank you.